I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to activate notifications on your Telstra device, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the Settings app on your device. This is usually represented by a gear icon. Step 2. Select Notifications. In the Settings menu, find and tap on the Notifications option. This is where you can manage all your notification settings. Step 3. Choose your apps. Scroll through the list of apps to find the ones for which you want to enable notifications. Tap on the app name to access its notification settings. Step 4. Enable Notifications. Once you're in the app's notification settings, toggle the switch to enable notifications. Make sure to check if you want sound or vibration alerts as well. Step 5. Test Notifications. After enabling notifications, send a test message or alert from the app to ensure everything is working correctly. If you don't receive it, double check your settings. Now you're all set to receive notifications on your Telstra device. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to revisit the settings. Happy connecting!